This is CryptoBytes, and welcome to CryptoBytes, the podcast where we take today's news and information in the crypto space and break it down into bite-sized chunks. I'm your host, Rick.
And this is Rob. Remember, guys, smash the like, spread the link, comment below.
Ping the bell. And most importantly, it's 2022. Hit the socials up. That's at Argyros Crypto and all things NFTs with your boy Keys at NFTs with Keys.
We are a Cardano stake pool operator, so check us out. Delegate to AGC.
It's fine. We just got to get used to doing this because one day we will be sponsored. This is a good segue into my next point. One day we will be sponsored.
By you, the delegators.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We're still doing that challenge, ladies and gentlemen.
Remember, we're trying to get to 25K delegation by the end of March.
That's Q1, if you're keeping track in those metrics.
I think we're about 13,000 delegation right now. So let's get to 25K. We can't do it without you guys.
So what are we talking about today, Rob?
We're talking about spreading the load.
Oh, ooh, one of my favorite subjects, but go on.
Yeah, so as many of us have experienced through Nami Wallet or even CC Vault, there might be a long queue to get your transaction on chain. Could be a 4-hour queue. It's only going to get worse as more people come on board into Cardano.
That's true.
We did do an onboarding Cardano segment, so maybe that's on us. Maybe we should have not done that.
You know, this is a good problem that I would love to take credit for. In fact, I am going to now take credit for this. You're welcome.
Right. So a few solutions have been brought up. Alessandro, he created a custom submit transaction API on Nami Wallet. So now anyone can connect to their own Daedalus node and submit transactions through their own Daedalus node. And that significantly cuts down how long it would take to get a transaction on chain.
Let's cut that down a bit. When he says your own Daedalus node, he means merely download the Daedalus wallet on your computer, install it, let it sync, and you yourself will have a full Cardano node on your computer running.
Right. There's been a couple tutorials out there. We'll link it below in the description. It's relatively easy. Anyone can do it. Even I managed to do it without any help. This guy, again, he's the genius of the group.
Whoa. Let's not spread false lies like that. I am but a man.
But a man. Yeah, so it's just 2 lines of code, and you do it through, if you're on Windows, a PowerShell, and you're connected.
You see, just that easy, guys. 3 lines of PowerShell coding, you're good. Scripting.
Right, so it cuts down your transaction time, maybe 4 hours, down to 15 to 20 minutes.
You know, it really just... it's good intentions, poor execution for now. You don't want to get bottlenecked. You can do this yourself. You have access to these avenues, but this just completely eliminates a hop that you can get rid of. And that's where the 4 hours come from. My guess, it's block frost. Gives a lot of people access, but, you know.
Right. Well, it's not only block frost, it's also...
Well, and any other tool that gives access to the blockchain.
Right. The hundreds of thousands of people that are being crammed into, let's say, a single door. Mm-hmm. And that could be on the infrastructure from... a CC Vault or Block Frost, right? And you're a single file trying to get onto the chain, right? That's the bottlenecking right there. If you submit your transaction through your own node, well, it's just Daedalus just always injecting your transaction until it fits into a block, and it could be an average 15 to 20 minutes at current loads. But
now we can spread the load.
Yeah. So now how can we spread the load as stake pool operators or just anyone operating a relay node? Well, a community group has brought up. It's called Freeloaderz.
Good guys.
It's headed by Santo stake pool, and there's a few other stake pools in here. Fat Matt and
Painel. We're gonna call it Painel.
Protecting ADA for network longevity.
And if you're not called Painel, you're welcome.
So what this group of stake pools have offered up is custom APIs for anyone to connect to. Again, this will spread the load from high congested areas such as CC Vault or Nami, and spreading it across the different relay nodes that are out there.
And, we talk about spreading the load like this. We also got to talk about MuesliSwap and these people that are now market makers. They are allowing you, to come spread the load with them. And they'll be the market makers. So you'll get quicker transaction speeds there.
Yeah, and people are doing this. We see this with PERNIS token. If you've had a successful match on milk or muesli, you'll see that it's maybe you might have PERNIS that process that transaction.
Who knows? Maybe one day you'll see a transaction come through with a little metadata on there that says got milk,
or processed by Argyros Crypto. Who knows?
Or donate to our stake pool ticker AGC. Hey, right.
All right.
Yes.
So if you're interested in this Freeloader project, if you're an SPO or if you run a relay node, check out freeloaderz.io, and that's Freeloaderz with a Z.
With the Z.
.io.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah. And with that, that's your CryptoByte.